Okay, so how was your trip? This looked like airport art. Where was this?
This was in Dallas-Fort Worth.
Oh, okay. It does look like airport art. Oh, and this looks like your feet on the ground. Where is this?
Puerto Vallarta.
Wow.
And you can tell when the street has been gone over, like where there's more concrete and flatness to it.
Okay.
Where they've repaved and such. Taco tour.
Oh, you took, the first thing you did was went on a food tour.
Yeah,
pretty much.
Oh, wow, that was
We went to breakfast and then we went on a food tour.
This way you get right on the ground. This isn't where you stayed, is it?
No, this is in the taco tour was in a working class town.
Oh, wow, this is a nice neighborhood.
Yes.
Oh, this is a beautiful neighborhood.
I didn't really see it either because I was watching where I walked.
Do they have a lot of those?
They use payphones all over.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Well, see, I don't have a cell phone, so that would come in handy if I... Oh, look, ceramics! The ceramica!
Oh, it's a grill.
Yeah. Did you know you were taking pictures of ceramics?
See.
Okay. Oh, wow. Oh, look at it.
She did a good job.
What is this? What kind of tacos were the first ones?
Oh, these were already past the first ones.
Oh, okay, and there's the ceramics on the back.
The one was
Cowhead.
No, we're past that.
Well, we wanted to say that.
Okay, and who's your guide there? What's it say on his
Manuel.
Okay.
Manuel?
I don't know.
Okay, well, we'll just say Juan Carlos.
I think Manuel was better.
Looks like you're cooking. You're making them. Was this also a cooking tour?
No.
No, but they allowed you to try to make one.
With the masa.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, look, more ceramics. Luminaria. Oh, wow, look at that.
Those were very nice.
Oh, I'll have to try to make those. Pineapple, a whole truckload of it.
They go around town and advertise with a speaker and say how much, and they deliver them.
Wow, okay.
And there's everything.
Were they grown there, or do they have them brought in from Costa Rica?
I think that they were grown there.
And okay, so they took you through a market too.
Oh yes, we went through the fish. This is the fish market.
Okay, pescado. So they took you right through the neighborhood with a fresh fish market. Wow. Okay, where's this, La Senora?
I don't know.
And this is your guide?
Pork rinds.
Yeah, pork rinds.
We have that.
Great.
Yeah. Oh, the chicken. See how yellow it is on the right?
Right.
It's because it's not injected with a ton of water.
Oh, interesting.
Oh, so this is the tortilla factory.
Yeah, I can tell. There's the...
Those bags were huge too. They look so small there.
Yeah,
They were 50-ton sacks or something.
Okay, grinding them.
This lady was buying that bag that you just saw.
Oh, wow. Look at the cemetery.
They do a lot of...
Oh, I can just imagine this on Dia de los Muertos. This has got to be a carnival. Wow.
See.
Did you see any Diego Rivera's? That's certainly not one.
No.
Oh, a sculptor. You visited a pipe sculptor or a sculpture factory.
That garage was beautiful.
Oh, these are mufflers. Oh, I thought you were visiting a sculptor's studio.
That garage was beautiful.
And the pet.
Okay, yeah. I lost mine. Wow, hecho a mano. They make them by hand. So, was this a taco tour? No, I see you had some soup too.
No, that's the taco tour.
This was a taco tour. That's why so many. Okay. Okay, there's some interesting architecture. Looks like they built new right on top of the old. Okay, they must be coming to the end of the food tour when we get to the ice cream. Okay.
Queso ice cream, corn ice cream. Vanilla store.
Oh, yeah. And this guy was so nice.
This looks like a nice place. It must be huge.
The size of a large cupboard.
Oh.
It was supposedly very hard.
Oh, I hope he didn't buy you one of those chocolate making things.
No, but he did
Okay.
tell us what it was and how to use it.
Okay, I hope you brought me back some vanilla.
Oh, I think so.
Wow, this looks like the good stuff.
Oh, look at that.
Look at the flags.
Yeah, this is a nice market. An outdoor street market? Or,
Yes.
Yeah, okay. And let's see, what are they distilling here?
Tequila, what else?
Okay, oh, there's the agave growing outside. Okay.
And this is along the Malecon? Or wait. No, this is at our beach.
Yeah, that was our
Okay.
beach.
You could tell by the ropes.
Okay.
And this is-
the cheap modern ceramics and
Yes.
veneers.
And this is they had that at our
Yeah,
place.
they might look awful now, but give them 20 or 30 years and they'll become vintage too, and we'll like them.
There they were.
Oh
painting
no, I'm
them.
glad I didn't come. Is this the kind of ceramic workshops you do if you go down there?
Well, this was right at the resort for
Yeah.
kids.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Well, or adults.
Yes.
And the finished product after
those
they
are nice.
painted it on.
Okay, where's this?
Oh.
This was at our the Sunscape, the 24-hour coffee house.
And they had some good veggie sandwiches in there that I grabbed to come home.
Okay, so this is the resort.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, I hope you didn't have to spend too much time there.
Well, it was beautiful, but it was a little crowded. That, yeah.
is the vinegar and oils for the salads.
Oh, wow.
Oh, was that good?
Homemade. Okay, so this looks like the church in the town.
See.
Okay, wow, look at the banners. I hope you brought me some back.
I think we could find some.
Oh, look at the banners, what they did with the fabric draping it through there.
Yeah. Boy, their benches were hard. They were, and that was their holy water fountain.
Is this a stained glass window or
No,
just...
it's metal.
Oh,
Open
okay,
air. It's
okay,
open
wrought
air.
iron open. Oh, okay.
That was really pretty. I was glad I noticed
Yeah, the flowers are beautiful. And the national flower, I assume.
it. See.
Yeah, that's the only thing Christmas Eve we could have found was the national flower on things.
Now we're at the Malecon.
Well, it looked like a great trip.
The Malecon beach looked really nice. I would have liked to have gone in there.
Oh,
I mean,
okay,
it's
this is
stony,
another
but
resort. This is not
No,
what
it's the
saying.
boardwalk.
Oh, okay, this is the town, or...
It's
This
right
is
there, that's it.
The boardwalk's town.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Looks like a lot of contemporary sculpture here.
Yes, there was.
Wow, a lot of it. Or is it just concentrated in one spot, or the whole way along the boardwalk?
Along the mile boardwalk.
A mile. Oh, wow. And benches. I mean,
This was
it's functional.
A bunch of that was all the same. My favorite
Yeah.
one I took a few pictures of.
Okay, looks like a street artist here.
Yeah.
Oh, and there he is. The Chocolate Museum.
Yeah.
This is the second time you've been to one of these places.
Mm-hmm. Well,
Okay, the
what else
last
have you
one
been
was
to?
in where? Nicaragua.
Well, who doesn't like chocolate? That was, I think, our favorite one, wasn't it?
Okay, a balcony in the town. No, the Valedores. It looks like you only saw them from a distance.
I didn't see all these.
Yes, you did.
Oh, I missed.
Well, you must have seen it. You were there.
I took those while she was at church.
Oh.
Yeah, she talked me into, leaving her go about her way and find everything.
And
Looks like
there's
they got a
Mom
little,
shopping.
there's a little table set up outside.
Yep. Of course, they didn't speak English either. It was sisters.
And this
Chocolate
is
Museum.
the Chocolate Museum. Those are nice little cups you've got there.
Yes, they are. The chocolate tea was amazing.
Oh, wow. So what did you bring me back from Mexico?
Well, we went to a chocolate store.
The Chocolate Museum. This is the same one like in Nicaragua. Oh, this is the best chocolate in the world. Oh, if I knew you were going there, I would have given you money to bring me back some. Wow. What's this? Coffee?
Coffee.
Wow. And this is what?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Oh, wow. Good Mexican cinnamon. Oh, wow. Vanilla. This is the real thing. This is the good stuff. And more cinnamon. Good, good. Cardamom. What's in the sack? Hot chocolate. Wow, chocolate tea.
It was amazing.
Whoa, what is this?
Teacup.
Ceramics. La ceramica. Oh, these are for tea?
For the chocolate tea.
Oh, wow. Oh, this is the real thing. Oh, look, these are hand thrown. Look at that. And what's something here? Mole? More cinnamon?
You missed the powdered vanilla.
Okay.
Vanilla beans.
Oh, where did you get these? From outside the
At the
church. Okay.
Our Lady of Guadalupe.
Okay, well, which one? Which town? Every Mexican
Puerto
town
Vallarta.
has one. Okay, and the banners, wait till Fiesta time. We'll hang these
there
up.
are 2 colors. There's 2 sets. That color too. Or mixed colors.
That is just incredible. So you use these at the, what was it, the chocolate store?
Yeah.
And they serve the what in them?
The tea. It's some chocolate tea.
It is really something how people go wild over this really quickly, terribly made, looks like hardly any skill, but just made quickly. And if I tried to make this and sell it, people would just laugh at me. I'm glad you brought these back. These are nice.
Well, we look for pottery.
I'll have to try to make some.
And, yeah. And you know what? It wasn't until that was our last stop almost. Because we were going home, you know. And I said, we got to get those.
Well, I'm assuming Talavera pottery comes from Talavera. I'll have to find out where that is. And if I keep putting my $2 a day in a Band-Aid box for another year or two, maybe I can go too next time.